In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for Roblox. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account, and if you don't, go and create an account. If it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to this page. Instead, you can click on login at the top right corner to log in into your account if you have an account, and if you don't, click on get Trello for free to create an account. Of course, you'll be able to use like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts if you don't have one of those, so you don't go get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. And now, how can you use Trello for Roblox? Of course, normally you'll use it for Roblox, like if trying to create a game or something like that. First of all, if you're running a team that's trying to create a game in Roblox, you can simply invite them. First of all, you can go to members here on the left panel and invite them. If they have a Trello account, you can simply enter their name or email address, example. Let's say someone has this email address, you can simply find them here, click on it, and send like an invite with a message if you want to. And you can even send a link. Click on this. This will copy a link. You can paste it to wherever you want. And if you want to send to people that doesn't have Trello account, or even if they have it, it's the same. So now you can go, as example, and create like maybe a tasks board for things that needs to be done for your Roblox page or for your Roblox game. So let's say, example, I have here so things that needs or waiting to get started. This is just simply this created before. As you can see, this things that's in progress, waiting for review and completed. Let's say as an example, like you'll need to list the products on the page. I don't know, maybe you're selling something on your products game or something like that. You can go and do that. Of course, you can assign some members to it. Specifically, you can add some attachments, add more descriptions, example. So depending on whatever you want. Maybe an example, you add another like thing. So make sure, an example, to add, I don't know, if you're doing maybe, I don't know, like a puzzle, something like that. So add wall at x equal 25, y equal 95 or something like that. It's totally up to you to do specific or custom tasks. For me, I don't know what exactly do you want to create or which task you want to create, so I'm just entering some random stuff. An example, like when you're gonna start the day, you're gonna start working on them. So now I'm going as example to start working on them. I'm just gonna take it in progress and I'm working on it. Once I finish, I'm gonna take it to waiting for review. In this example, I have a specific guide that will check or for waiting for review for all the stuff that I did. If it's all good, they can simply check the button and take it to completed. If not, you can even create another list needs to be redone or something like that, and it can be taken there and remove the checklist. That's how you basically can use Trello for Roblox for creating a game or do win whatever you want. You basically want to Trello is used to get things done, and it's used to get like or a hard task or a big task into small like tasks that is doable during the day. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.